इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें। नमस्कार, वेलकम बैक टू सिंप्लीफाई योर स्पेस। आज की वीडियो में मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ कुछ बहुत ही स्मार्ट एंड ट्रेंडिंग होम क्लीनिंग टूल्स जो कि ऑनलाइन बहुत ही पॉपुलर हैं। देखते हैं जैसे कि क्लेम करते हैं वैसा काम कर पाते हैं या नहीं। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So I got a little late in making this video. I'm sure Diwali cleaning has already started in most homes by now. And if you're still in the middle of cleaning, then you can definitely take help from these amazing products. The first product I'm going to show you is something that's been quite trending and viral on social media lately. The portable steam cleaner. It comes with 6 attachments that are super useful for different cleaning tasks, like a window tool, extension pipe, nylon brush, towel sleeve, extension nozzle, and garment steamer. You also get a measuring cup and a small funnel to fill water easily. The operation is very simple. Just fill in 350 ml of water, secure the safety cap, and switch it on. It heats up in just about 2.5 minutes. Once the indicator light turns off, your steam is ready to use. With one fill, it gives around 10 to 15 minutes of continuous steam, making cleaning super easy. So first I tried it on my bathroom counter where there was mold buildup in the corners. Regular cleaners and brushes were not working at all, so I decided to test the steamer there. And to my surprise, it really worked. Without using any chemicals, it lightened the mold quite a bit. Not completely gone, but definitely much better. Next, I use it under the wash basin, where grime usually collects and is tough to clean. Because of the high pressure steaming, all the grime loosened up and came off very easily. You can see the before and after on the screen. And till now, I must say I'm really liking this product. Then I also tried it in the kitchen. The brand claims it can clean greasy hobs and cooktops effectively, that too without any chemical cleaners. So I used it on the greasy burner plates of my hob, and honestly the results were amazing. The grease came off in no time. Although the brand claims it's safe for glass surface too, I did not want to take a risk, so I avoided using it directly on my glass hob. Only on the burner plates. But if you have a steel hob, it will definitely clean it up effortlessly. I also tried it on the top part of chimney where all the sticky grease builds up, and within just a few seconds, it cleaned everything completely. There wasn't even a hint of stickiness left. Using its fabric steaming tool, you can even iron your curtains or bedding without removing them. It can also help sanitize and deodorize your mattresses, fabric chairs, and carpets, which is especially helpful if you have pets or small kids at home. So yes, I would definitely recommend this product. I genuinely liked it a lot. It makes cleaning so much easier, and that too without using any chemicals. As for the price, it costs around Rs 2500, and if used properly, it's totally worth the money. Next product is this spin mop, which is used for floor cleaning. Now this one is a bit different from the regular commonly available spin mops. So let's see what makes it special. First of all, I really liked its dual bucket system. It comes with 2 separate buckets that attach together while in use. One side holds clean water and the other collects the dirty water. So every time you mop the floor, you're using fresh water, which I think is a great feature. Its ringer basket is made of stainless steel, which makes it stronger and more durable. Along with that, it comes with a smartly designed triangular mop head and 2 microfiber mop pads. Another thing I loved is that it comes with a foot pedal, so you don't have to spin the mop manually with your hands. The pedal makes the wringing process faster and completely hands-free. Overall, it's a really good spin mop. You can even use it dry to clean walls, wall panels and wardrobes. And of course, for wet mopping. It works perfectly like any high-quality spin mop. Since the pads are made of microfiber, they easily absorb all the dust, hair and moisture from the floor. And because of its triangle head design, it reaches into corners very effectively too. I personally like its self-washing and self-wringing system. And as you can see, all the dirty water collects on one side without mixing with the clean water. There is also a drain hole on the side to easily empty the dirty water. Storage is super convenient. One bucket fits neatly inside the other. Now let's talk about a few drawbacks. It does not have wheels, so you will need to lift it every time you move it around. And yes, it's slightly on the pricier side. Otherwise, it's really good cleaning tool. Cleaning ceiling fans or those high shelves always feels like such a hassle. You either have to climb up on a chair or a stool, and even then the cleaning never feels perfect. So the next product is something that solves exactly this problem. The ceiling fan cleaner and duster. What I really liked is its unique hollow design. It lets you clean both sides of the fan blade in one go. Its extendable rod can be adjusted from 13 inches to almost 50 inches. You can easily reach the ceiling height without any struggle. Though yes, while cleaning the fan blades do move a little bit, but that's totally normal, just like in regular cleaning. Since the duster is made of microfiber material, all the dust sticks to it instead of falling on the floor, which is such a plus point. And it's not just for fans. You can use it to clean AC, cabinet tops, ceiling shelves, walls and windows too. So basically, one tool takes care of multiple cleaning tasks around the house. You can also detach the duster head from the rod and clean it easily. Overall, I found it a very efficient and mess-free cleaning tool, especially for cleaning fans and high ceilings without any extra effort. The next product is this squeegee and floor wiper, which is super trending and viral all over social media these days. So I decided to order it and try it out myself. Let's see what's so special about it. It has a silicone scraper head, which makes cleaning much faster and easier. You know how when there is too much dust or dirt on the floor, using a broom can take a lot of time? Well, with this squeegee, you can quickly gather all the dirt in just a few strokes. And it doesn't just clean dust, it can easily pick up pet hair, human hair, liquid spills, even broken glass pieces or sticky messes. All without much effort. Basically, it works like the wiper we use in the bathroom or balconies, just a smarter version of it. The best part is it works on almost every surface, wooden floors, tiles, carpets or rugs. And not just floors, you can also clean windows, bathroom walls and glass surfaces with it. So it's truly one tool for multiple cleaning needs. Though yes, it doesn't work well on rough surfaces, the surface needs to be smooth for it to glide properly. Its head can rotate up to 180 degrees, which helps you clean even under furniture easily. When it comes to quality, I would say it's decent, not premium, but okay for regular use. Overall, I found this product quite useful and handy for daily cleaning tasks. Plus, it's available online at a very reasonable price, somewhere between Rs 150 to 250. The next product is something related to dusting. And honestly, dusting can be one of the most tiring chores, especially when the dust settles in those hard to reach areas. So here is the 6-in-1 multi-purpose duster kit. This set comes with 6 different attachments. Telescopic pole, bendable microfiber duster, bendable Chanel duster, gap cleaning brush, cobweb duster and window blind cleaner. So basically, whether it's the ceiling fan, furniture gaps or high shelves, there is a separate tool for every corner of your home and all of them can easily attach to the extendable rod. The gap cleaner is perfect for removing dust, dirt and food particles from under furniture or the fridge. The microfiber and chenille duster attracts dust like a magnet and are great for cleaning high ceilings, fans, lights, ACs, closets, and cabinet tops effectively without spreading dust all around. The blind cleaners not only cleans window blinds but also helps you clean those tricky window tracks effortlessly. And the cobweb duster attachment is super useful for removing spider webs from ceilings. The best part, its stainless steel extendable pole can go up to 100 inches long. And when not in use, you can simply shorten it and store it easily. Overall, this is an all-in-one cleaning package that makes dusting faster, easier and way more efficient. You can get it online for around Rs 700 to 800. So instead of keeping multiple dusters for different purposes, you can just invest in one and make your cleaning routine so much simpler. The next product is this magic eraser. It claims to remove all kinds of stains and dirt around the house very easily, so let's test it out. These cleaning sponges are made of high density melamine foam. To use it, just soak it in water first and then squeeze out all the excess. It should be slightly damp, not dripping wet. Often our walls get dirty with fingerprints, food marks or random stains. To clean them, just gently rub this damp sponge over the wall in one direction, not up and down. Otherwise, the stain can spread and make the wall look messier. And look at that, the stain comes off super easily. And if you have kids at home, you know how walls get covered with pencil and crayon marks, and this magic eraser works perfectly on those too. See how clean the wall looks now. And yes, now you can actually say, "Daag achhe hain." Jokes apart, I found this product really useful for cleaning walls, doors or any surface where fingerprints or marks are visible. The best part, it cleans effectively without any chemicals, just plain water. These sponges can be reused around 8 to 10 times, and there are many other ways to use them, which I will share with you all in one of my upcoming videos. The last product is a super versatile one and also one of my all-time favorite, which I've been using for years, WD-40. It's such a handy product for home cleaning and maintenance. Recently, while some repair and interior work was going on at my home, a lot of carpenter glue got stuck on the floor during wall paneling, and those stains looked really bad. So I sprayed WD-40 on them, left it for about 5 minutes and then wiped it off. The glue loosened up and came off so easily. In the same way, if you ever get paint stains on handles, locks or fixtures while painting your house, you can easily clean them with WD-40. You might have also noticed rust marks forming on stainless steel handles or racks in the bathroom or kitchen due to moisture. They look really bad. But again, WD-40 can easily clean those too. Just spray a little, leave it for a few minutes and then gently scrub. All the marks come off effortlessly. Apart from cleaning, WD-40 also works as a great lubricant. If your scissors or pliers have jammed or if any of your doors make that annoying creaking sound, just spray a bit of WD-40, wait for a few minutes and see, everything starts working smoothly again. If you liked any of the product I showed in the video, you will find their Amazon links in the description box below. And if you prefer shopping from Flipkart, I have also tagged all the products along with this video. You can simply click there to check out more details.
तो आज की वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही। आशा करती हूँ कि ये वीडियो आपको हेल्पफुल लगा होगा। आपको कौन सा प्रोडक्ट सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें। सब्सक्राइब करें सिंप्लीफाई योर स्पेस को इसी तरीके के और भी वीडियोस देखने के लिए। अब मुलाकात होगी आपसे अगले हफ्ते। तब तक के लिए हैप्पी क्लीनिंग फ्रॉम सिंप्लीफाई योर स्पेस। बाय बाय।